So now this is the last part of the its series on Kivy, how to place Kivy ads. So let me clear the screen, and in this video we will be talking about rewarded video ads. Rewarded video ads simply means this. So yeah, rewarded video ads are those ads which also you can say give a most amount of money and also very hard to place. Okay, so I did a lot of research and I'm making ad into my application. The application is not launched yet, but it will be launched soon on Play Store. And so what are rewarded video ads? Rewarded video ads are something that shows for users in exchange of some rewards. Okay, like you are giving game points, giving extra life for watching an ad. You're seeing many uh, games that you can get a one more live for watching the video. Those videos are called rewarded video ads. Okay, so how to place them? So rewarded video ads has some components that it have some functions that we call them callback functions. Okay, so callback functions are triggered when the ad is completed or the activity when the ad is playing. Like someone closed the ad before watching it fully because you have to wait for 30 seconds to get the reward. There's a timer running on the ad, you can see, and you can see. Okay, let me take it to Google. Okay, so rewarded video ads, and if I show you some images, yeah, you can see that these type of rewards, rewarded video ads are like you are playing a video and then you get a reward. Okay, so what we will do for rewarded video ads, um, we have some components, we need to call them, and then we need to separately handle them. In another class we handle the callbacks. Okay, so in Kivmob there is a rewarded video ad listener module. Okay, so what is the function of that module? It catches all the activities what you are doing when you're watching the video, and nothing fancy about it. We will see. Let's see in the code. Okay, thanks for watching.